here in the Best Buy parking lot. I'm waiting for my order. They drop it off to you for curbside pickup, and I'm so excited. I asked my dad to get me a camera for Christmas because I am now vlogging. So, oh, I think that might be mine. I got it. I am now a basic bish trying to vlog my way through life. Thanks, Dad. I'm gonna go to Target now to pick up some random things and like Christmas wrapping paper. I had to walk really quickly past the stuffed animal section because I always have to resist buying myself a stuffed animal. I just want more friends. I'll just let Mike get them for me. Oh, this one's so cute. Holy guacamole. Okay, I have to get it. I don't know how much other people will like it, but it's for me. It's the season. That sounds kind of gross. This one's cute too. I like the cars. But the color scheme is really similar to the avocado one. There's a madhouse in there. I usually like spending some time walking around and browsing the aisles, but I was trying to get out of there ASAP. I think people are doing their last minute Christmas shopping and it's wild. The first present is wrapped. I did such a good job wrapping it. Threw it in the bag. The other ones that I got for other people aren't here yet, so I'm just gonna wait. But it already looks festive with the present there and the wrapping paper there. I ended up getting the second one with daggos on it because, I mean, who wouldn't like this? They're so cute. Time to unbox my camera kit. I just got the one that people said was like affordable for a camera. What you want? Lily's watching. Set date and time. 12. What's the date? Look at the calendar. 18. Oh. I'm just chilling here. I had big plans today to clean and do all this laundry and just get myself together because I let everything just fall apart during finals. I don't even want to show you my apartment. It's such a mess right now. But I just felt so lazy today. But it's the first day of break, so I think it's okay. I'm taking today to clean, finally, and I just put in so much laundry. I took up the entire laundry room. It's gotta be done. Now I'm gonna bathe and groom Lily, which she hates, but that also has to be done. And I'm listening to Christmas music, and I'm having a really good time. Finally being able to clean and just jam out to Christmas tunes. Oh yeah, you know you're getting a treat. Good cat. Oh, that nasty. So satisfying. Ew. The air plant babies are doing a soak. Look how cute they are. They were so thirsty. Sorry, that's the dishwasher. They look so happy. What's up?
I know.
What's up, Mo?
I'm having spaghetti.
Oh, nice.
What's up?
I'm eating my leftover Indian from last night.
Nice.
I've been cleaning and doing laundry and stuff all day. I still have to finish cleaning, but yeah, I bathed Lily.
A little extra time helped, huh?
Yeah. You want to say hi to my camera?
Yeah. Oh, nice. Yeah, I think I've seen.
I'm recording right now.
Oh, yeah?
You ugly ass eating. I'll turn it back to me. Ain't nobody want to see your face. Is there a game on?
Yeah, Seahawks just won.
Who would they play?
Washington?
Do you have a salad?
Not yet. I just reheated the spaghetti. So leftover. Did you make another recording?
Yeah. I posted one yesterday.
Oh, you did?
You didn't see. It was just me talking about last semester.
Oh, cool.
Just like what I'm glad I did and what I wish I had done.
Oh, okay.
It's just like 12 minutes of me talking. It's not a vlog. It's more of a, I'm gonna have a series of sort of chats where I just sit down and talk about random law school stuff. And also maybe just other stuff not law school related. Stuff that I think about a lot but never really express. But I think it'd be cool to just get it out there.
Are you talking about like decision for school and decision for career, all that kind of stuff, or?
No, not necessarily career related. Just like random stuff, like advice I would give to my high school self. Or just random reflections that I think about a lot, but never really turns into anything.
Gotcha. I gotcha.
Like my thoughts on beauty standards and body image issues.
Oh, that kind of stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, well. Seahawks made it difficult again.
Oh. But they won.
Yeah. I didn't have a lot of energy to be too upset because I'm just slightly hungover. Because we went out on that boat, I told you.
Oh yeah, how was that?
It was fun.
What were you drinking?
Wine. Red wine. It was a lot of fun. There's a lot of boats that did go through the parade, and we were there. And, we never took off from the dock, so that was great. So we just kind of hung out on the boat and watched the boat parade go by. And his boat was all decorated with Christmas lights and stuff. So we're playing some music and stuff.
Cool.
What'd you have for breakfast? Where's Lily at? Where's the doggy at?
She's eating. I bathed her, so she's pissed at me.
Oh, yeah.
but she's eating. I made myself pancakes again for breakfast because I'm out of food, so I'm really just like trying to finish what I have.
Right. How's the weather?
It was snowy again today, but not enough to stick